Hey, what's up, guys? Mr. Cruz here to show you guys, give you guys a couple of examples for what we're going to be going over in today's worksheet. So, in today's worksheet, you have two types of problems that you're going to be coming across. The first one you guys should already know how to do, and this is an example of one of the first ones. So, it says that it takes you 45 minutes to drive the 30 miles from your house to the mall. All right, I can set that up as a proportion. So, 45 minutes, 30 miles. All right. Next, it says, how long will it take you to drive the 75 miles to the beach? 75 miles is going to go on the bottom of our second proportion because I want to have same across from same, right? I want to set up the same unit across from the same unit. So since 30 represents miles and 75 represents miles, I got to make sure that I have those two across from each other. I'm going to put X on top, and then from here, we just cross multiply and divide. So 45 times 75, this is going to give me 3,375. 30 times X is going to give me 30X. From here, this is your whole draw the river, box up the variable, and do the opposite stuff, right? Same thing we've been doing. We're just pretty much cross multiplying and dividing. All right, this part right here will cancel out, and X will be by itself. And then 3,375 divided by 30 will give me 112.5. So with this represents how long it will take to get to the other, to get to the beach, right? If the beach is 75 miles away. So I have 112 and a half minutes is what it'll take to get to the beach. All right, let's go on to the next one. All right, this is an example of the second type of question. So this is question number 2 on your worksheet, but this is an example of the different type of question where you're going to have to solve, but you solve it a different way. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that here. So it says a box of 6 Matchbox cars costs $11.94. Ignore that jump. Let's go over this again. So a box of six Matchbox cars cost $11.94. A box of 4 Matchbox cars costs $8.12. Which box has the lowest cost per car? This is what's called the unit price. So the way to solve this is I'm going to put my dollar amount on top, $11.94, over the 6 Matchbox cars that I get from buying that box. All right. So this is a fraction, right? This is a fraction. All a fraction is division. So all I'm going to do is type this into Desmos and divide it. So $11.94 divided by 6. $11.94 divided by 6. And I end up with $1.99. So that means in this box of cars that I get, each car costs $1.99. So now let's do the same thing with the other one. So it says that box costs $8.12, and that one I get 4 cars. So $8.12 divided by 4. In this set, each car costs $2.03. So that means that this one up here is the better deal. So that's the cheaper option. So you're going to come across some other problems in that worksheet where you're doing the exact same thing, where it's giving you 4 numbers, right? If it gives you 3 numbers, you're setting up a proportion and you're cross multiplying and dividing. If it's giving you 4 numbers, then you got to be mindful of like what it's asking you. So it might ask you like, hey, what's the lowest cost? What's the better deal? And then this is how you find out what the unit price is so that you can realize or recognize which one's going to be the better option. All right. Good luck with the assignment. I'll see you guys next time.